Well, because everybody thinks this is a Chevrolet truck because I had the bow tie on the back there. Everybody thought, well, yeah, it's a little Chevrolet truck, and of course, it does look like one, but it's not. It's not a Chevrolet truck. It's a Toyota, which so I put that on there so people wouldn't identify it as being a little Chevrolet truck. You know, mini wheel tubs, flared fenders, um, so much done to this truck. You know, trying to get people to understand how much money is into this truck. It's just, I don't know. A lot of money in this truck. So, I told Kaylee the other day. I said, when you drove it, we didn't do one of the main things, and that was to turn to open the exhaust on it while she was driving it, and so yeah, flip that second switch there, backup camera, and of course backup camera means the backup lights are also on, and they are really bright. That's the other night was the first time I've used the backup lights, but you can see how bright they are. Probably really can't tell on a camera, but they're really, really bright. So remember how to open the hood. And the new driving lights, they're really bright. They're also really bright. There's a lot of things that I've done that turn the blinker on. Kind of see how that does. Like I've always said, everything is LED. Let's turn on the parking lights too. Get them on. All new interior, even all the door seal rubber, everything is brand new, and everything is LED. Yeah, I love this truck. It's pretty cool. instantly back to quiet. Yeah, love this truck. Electric fan just kicked on. Alrighty, now Kaylee driving the truck. I was doing it a while ago, and told her this. I thought this was the first time I've ridden on this side, but it's not the first time. But I probably haven't ridden over here in a long time. So
First got it.
pretty cool. Yeah, since I first got it. There you go. You can get on it a little bit
So
if
we
you
get
want
around
to.
this.
Okay. She wants to straighten up first before straighten up there before you do it. Yeah, you can do it from this. Yeah, there you go. It don't spin. I mean, it just takes off. It's what's incredible with the big
feels
tires.
so strong.
Yeah, it does. I mean, people, I can make it smoke the tires, but the incredible thing about this truck is it just takes off. I mean, the big, huge tires and no weight, it's just gone. Crazy. Oh yeah. At the car show here in Calhoun, Georgia, at the airport. I mean, big turnout. As you can see, tons and tons and tons of cars, beautiful cars.